¿Qué es la dualidad?
Good, bad, right, wrong, fear, love, light, dark. It's all duality. The whole of creation is sustained through duality. That's why we have this experience. Is the duality real? No. It's another illusion. But it's an illusion that you created. So you could play. So you could have this experience. And it's something to enjoy. And when you experience union within the duality, then it becomes great fun. Why? Because the fear's gone. And all the porqués have gone. You just be. You be the love within the duality, within the conflict, within the injustice, within every aspect of this creation. And then you start to elevate everything. You start to remind everyone about their greatness, about the union, about the love. Consciousness and this game is the greatest thing that exists. It's incredible. This creation's incredible. But you have to find the love and play within the love. Then you'll see how great it truly is.
So sweet a gift was given, bringing joy to the sad.